Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. This episode is very special because of two reasons. Number one, it's my wife's birthday, and number two, today we are having a special guest at our show who is basically multi-talented personality. Let me introduce the personality, but before that I want to let you know that who exactly he is. He is a person who is basically working with a government at a senior managerial position, Government of India, and he is a recipient of Gallantry Award. Maybe you're aware that Gallantry Award is given for honoring the bravery and sacrifice for the senior officials. Apart from this personality is multi-talented because he is an actor, he is a singer, he is a writer. Yes, this personality is special because of these all reasons, and one more reason is that he is basically my schoolmate, and not only schoolmate but my classmate. The personality is Mr. Sujit Dwivedi. I want to welcome you, Mr. Sujit. So thank you, Mr. Sujit, for being at our show and accepting our invitation to be a part of this show. Before we start, we want to understand about you and your life so that our audience can relate with your personality.
Namaskar and a warm hi to all the viewers. Let me start with thanking you, Mr. Vinod, for giving me this opportunity to share my views on your show, 52 Weeks Challenge. And coincidentally, I'm 48 years now, and I too have a 52 years challenge of my life. I always had two aims from the beginning. As far as I remember, maybe 3 years or 4 years of age, I wanted to join government service as an officer, as well as I wanted to become an actor. And in that I have throughout pursued these two interests. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gwalior, then I joined Rashtriya Military Schools, which are also known as King George's Royal Indian Military College, and I completed my MSc thereafter from Jivaji University Gwalior in physics. And then I joined government service. There were some struggles and some challenges when I was actually looking out for job in between my graduation and post-graduation. But then those times are trying times, and I could clear those by God's grace. And now, after 48, I plan that by 52nd year of my age, I should settle down in my career as an actor.
Thank you, Sujit, for your introduction. And yes, we studied together in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Gwalior. Sujit, it's good to know about your aims and special crystal clear and specific goal of 52 years, which is related with the 52 week challenge. Now, Sujit, I want to understand, and rather we all want to understand, that when from you developed the basically interest of your acting.
Regarding acting and poetry and all writings which I started, I think my interest developed quite early. As I said earlier, from the age of 3 or 4 years, as far as I remember, I used to watch movies and I used to watch plays and write down. My first poem I wrote in around 5th class, Sherni Ji Ki Barat. So that was all positivity. Movies watching, not in the sense that you are addicted to movie watching and like you go on some other path. But it was actually a positive thing, and I always liked acting because through acting you can live anything. If you have an aim in life, you go in pursuit of it. But with acting, you can just play any role, live anything. And by writing poems and all shairis or maybe some other things, you can always express yourself beyond even practicality, which should also be of use to the public as a whole. That's what I feel. So it's a very good form of expression. And along with the service career, actually, I limited myself in field of acting because two things cannot go together. Though I have acted in a short film, and there was a series telecasted on ABP News channel named Pradhan Mantri Part 2. In that, I had played a role in a third episode that was of a secretary of Shri Vallabh.
Interesting, very interesting. And you rightly said that you can live any life while you are acting. Sujit, let me tell you that I have personally watched your show in Pradhan Mantri series part 2 at ABP News, and let me tell you, you acted superb, fantastic. Okay, Sujit, I want to understand that it is not easy to carry a dream from your childhood till this time, and still you are determined to make it possible at the age of 52. We want to understand a life philosophy from you.
Yeah, Vinod, this is actually a very interesting thing. I love philosophy, and I love to think about various aspects of life. And as my nature, I am a very social person. I love to interact, I love to be happy, I love to mix with people. So the main motto of my life, or for that sake of anybody's life, should be positivity and happiness. These things should go together. Neither one should be less, neither one should be more. It should match. And you should always be dynamic in your life. Though there are things, there are phases at times when you feel low, so it's okay. You feel those emotions. Negative emotions are not bad, but they should be in your control. Feel those emotions and utilize them to further your progress, further your activities in the life, so that you achieve your aim, or maybe aims, or two or more. You can have always two aims. So the life should go on. Live with happiness, and let others live. And maybe in later part of life, you should also try to give back to society through social service, through other smaller gestures that will give you satisfaction.
I agree with you. Happiness and positivity should go together. Wonderful message. And let me tell you that you should discover the purpose of your life. Great. Sujit, today is a very special day. And I want to tell you that today is my wife's birthday. And because you are an instant writer, you write very, very good poems. So is it possible to write few lines for my wife? Her name is, by the way, Rachna Tiwari. So if it is possible, can you write few lines?
Oh, Vinod, that's actually nice to know. Your wife's birthday is on 29th May. And, once you're married, you know the importance of birthdays. And that too, the wife's birthday. Should never forget that. And I should appreciate you for that. And you said your wife's name is Rachna. Okay. So, Mrs. Rachna, he has said, so I have to think about some lines, and all those lines will be on his behalf. It's only my creation and just for him. So here are the wishes in a poetic form from Mr. Vinod for you, Mrs. Rachna. तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ। हर जन्म में मैं तुम्हारा ही रहना चाहता हूँ। हर जन्म में मैं तुम्हारा ही रहना चाहता हूँ। मेरी खुशकिस्मती हो तुम रचना, मेरी खुशकिस्मती हो तुम रचना। जब से आई हो जिंदगी में शुरू हो गया है खुशियों का सजना। मेरा परिवार, मेरी बेटियां सब तुमसे, मेरे मुकाम को जाती हर सीढ़ियां सब तुमसे। इसीलिए तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर बस मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ। हर जन्म में मैं तुम्हारा ही रहना चाहता हूँ। हर जन्म में मैं तुम्हारा ही रहना चाहता हूँ.
Unbelievable, unbelievable. It was amazing. Let me tell you that those lines what you have written is very much relating to me, my wife and my daughters. Thank you very much, Sujit. Let me tell you, this will stay close to my heart, and definitely Rachna is going to like this poem. Thank you very much. And finally, again, I want to thank you for sparing your time to be with us. And at last, would you like to say anything to add on?
Vinod, I am so overwhelmed today to interact on this platform and share my views. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I wish you all the best. All the best. What life? Keep moving, keep happy, keep progressing. Thank you.
Hey Sujit, it was our pleasure to have you with us. Thank you very much. And we are doing this particular episodes after episodes only because of support and help from friends like you. Thank you very much once again to be with us. So guys, this was one of the nice interview where we learned a lot from Sujit, who is having a responsibility at a senior position in Government of India, and apart from that he is pursuing his living for something. So we should be having a purpose of our life to live, because when you have a purpose, when you have a goal, you live happily, you live nicely, you live excitedly. So guys, this is all about this episode. Guys, I hope that you all are staying safe and started living with Corona, because we have to live with Corona. There is no any other option. And would request you to work on your immune system to make it so strong that we can fight not only with Corona but any other virus and bacteria. So guys, wish you happy and safe weekend, and see you next time 7 p.m. next Friday with a new topic. I'm Vinod Tiwari from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Thank you. Guys, every single day many people are subscribing from all the continents, all the countries, all the cities, everywhere. But if you haven't subscribed it, you have to subscribe it now.